dialyzers for dialysis. We have some antibiotics, and we have some blood administration sets, and this is to the tune of $2.47 million. You will find it really.
Dialyzer will go far away because they're expensive.
I would like to commend medical disposable and supplies for this example of good corporate citizenship that they are demonstrating here today. It is clear that the staff at the hospital, spoken with the nursing staff, the administrators, the doctors and other personnel, that they are going way beyond the call of duty to keep the health sector running and to satisfy as best they can the needs of the citizens. But what is apparent is that the resources needed go way beyond the resources available.